I got a really exciting tip off that there is a male nightingale singing near Wembley Stadium of all places, so I'm going to go there. And I've been busy making my DIY plant pot parabolic microphone. I didn't have a plant pot, but I did have a mixing bowl, so I've screwed it to a duster handle and a block of wood inside, and to that I've attached a very cheap little lapel mic that will plug into my phone. Now the idea is that wherever you point this parabolic microphone, it will really amplify the sound. So hopefully we'll get a really good recording of this nightingale, if he's still there and if he's still singing tonight. Okay, it's starting up. We've got it.
Thank you.
Oh, listen. Amazing. Nightingale. Okay. Nightingale is starting to sing very quietly, but there's definitely some nightingale sounds. And I've used my DIY parabolic reflector to focus the sound, so hopefully we'll get some good recordings.